Scott from ZTechnik by National Cycle. ZTechnik is National Cycle's exclusive line of windshield and accessories for BMW motorcycles. Today we'll be installing a new set of our Extreme Adventure Gear Side Guards on its F900XR. For owners of the F900R, the installation of these side guards will be exactly the same. Provided with the kit are the left and right side guards, a center union bar, and the hardware required for installation. Tools needed for the installation are a 6mm hex socket, plus ratchet and short extension, a 4mm hex socket or 4mm Allen wrench, and a T20 Torx wrench. To start the installation, you want to insert the union bar into the bracket right here at the top. Slide it in, then insert one of the button head bolts from the kit. And loosely snug it up with your number 4 Allen. You don't have to tighten it all the way. You want to leave this a little bit loose for final adjustments. Now you want to identify your 2 mounting points on the bike. There's one here near the top and one here right above the exhaust. So swing the bracket into place, line up your 2 bolt holes, and then install one of the 2 Allen head belts. I'm going to leave these a little bit on the loose side to make final adjustments later on in the process. Alright, now we are on the rider's left-hand side of the bike. We want to start by removing this plastic panel right here with a T20 Torx. You want to hold on to the bolt and to this cover. They will be reinstalled at the end of the process. And remove the panel, just grab it from the back, pop it forward, and it comes off this little well nut right here. Now we're going to go install the left side bar. We're going to start by installing the other top mount into this piece here. Let's go ahead and slide it into place. Okay. Now you want to take the shorter of the 2 Allen bolts and insert it here at the upper mount. And then start the remaining bolt at the very bottom mount. Now, if you, like I said earlier, we're going to make sure all these components are on the loose side, so that way it makes lining this up a lot easier. Now you want to go ahead and put the final bolt into the union here. Put it into place. And finally tighten fully. Now you can go to the rest of the bolts and tighten those up. Now go ahead and reinstall that plastic cover back onto the mounts. Push it in here, make sure it pops into place. Reinstall the bolt. Alright, your installation is now complete of the ZTechnik Extreme Adventure Gear Side Guards. Installation time is about 15 to 20 minutes with basic hand tools. If you'd like more information about this product or other National Cycle or ZTechnik products, visit our website, nationalcycle.com, or contact your local BMW motorcycle dealership.